At InnuScience, we know that all cleaning agents are not created equal, and we'd like to show you what makes our biotechnology cleaning products not only safer for humans and the environment, but also more effective and longer lasting than traditional chemical cleaners. Our highly biodegradable solubilization agents instantly lift dirt from surfaces. Simultaneously, our proprietary lab-made fermentation extracts break down dirt and grime, making them even easier to solubilize in water. And finally, our natural microorganisms get under any porous surfaces, digesting the newly dissolved dirt, which eliminates residual odors. The result is a quick, deep, and perfect cleaning with long-lasting odor control effects. Why is that? Simply because our microorganisms actually continue cleaning and penetrating porous surfaces days after cleaning, keeping your surfaces cleaner longer and making the job easier the next time around. That is what we call a technology full of life.